Late this evening, a little weak convergence zone set up across parts of the area, sparking a handful of a few showers with some heavier downpours of rain in spots. You can see the very spotty nature of the activity, some of which is impacting parts of Beaver, Allegheny, and Armstrong counties, but a lot of it is falling apart as there's not good steering or dynamics to keep things going very long. One of those heavier bursts of rain over toward the Midland area of Beaver County, another one in the Wexford-Warrendale area right now. That's also dying off, and yet a third on over toward the Vandergrift area in northern Westmoreland and southern parts of Armstrong County. This activity, again, should be fizzling in the next hour at most, and the rest of the overnight period should be fairly quiet. Right now in the city, it's partly cloudy, a little hazy, with still high dew point values. The temperature is 77, the dew point's at 74. Southwest wind at 7 miles an hour and relative humidity at 90%. Cranberry's at 77, so is Moon, Churchill, 75 in Bethel Park, 74 in Bell Vernon. Right now, West Mifflin, 75, 73 in Indiana, and 75 in Butler. As we head down through tonight, our lows are going to level off right around 70 degrees, give or take a degree or two on either side. And then our highs tomorrow in the low 80s. Will be capped in by clouds and some showers moving through the area, so not quite as warm with regards to temperatures tomorrow, but it will be still fairly muggy throughout the day with those high dew point values. Now we're going to move ahead, fast forward ahead. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. When you wake up on Saturday, mostly cloudy skies. Look back to the west shows an area of showers with maybe some embedded heavier downpours. A little bit of thunder and lightning will be possible. This area, as we move ahead, should be moving through right around 11 o'clock tomorrow morning is when it's going to be moving in, and it's probably going to take a couple hours to cross from west to east across the area. So as we get toward the 2-3 o'clock hour, a bit of a break in the activity, and then behind it there'll be a few showers filling in, probably not as numerous as the first round coming through, but still some spotty shower activity late in the afternoon before things then settle down by early tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Now over the weekend, tomorrow and Sunday, any shower or thunderstorm, the greatest threat is going to be a heavy downpour of rain, and in a more isolated fashion could be some briefly gusty winds. Watch how that convergence zone sets up right here, and then the activity starts to fall apart as it tries to work its way south and east. Again, not good steering. High pressure that kept us dry today is now moving away, and this boundary to the south is going to pivot back north. That serves as a highway for that next disturbance to move along. Again, 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, rain across the area, some heavier downpours. That moves through, scattered spotty activity in the afternoon, and then the boundary gets a little bit of a push further north on Sunday. I think it's quiet Sunday morning, early afternoon, and then as the boundary approaches, I think as we get toward the 4 o'clock hour on Sunday is when we'll see our best chance of showers on that day. Forecast tonight, hazy and muggy, that isolated shower chance about the next hour or so. Then tomorrow, high temperature 81, warm and humid, showers, a couple embedded thunderstorms. I think the first round comes mid to late morning, and then a few scattered showers will linger later in the day. On Sunday, scattered thunder showers primarily, say after about 3 or 4 o'clock, and then Monday, temperatures start to cool off a little better in terms of humidity, and nice and comfortable then the middle part of next week.